myself shortly. I am Vaikri Pujari. I am a stylist and an entrepreneur. I have my own styling company, Uniquely Mainstream, wherein we style everyone for any occasion, that too in your budget. We personally style you for your body type, which has not been done in India before. Styling is very particularly limited to fashion styling yet, but that was before Uniquely Mainstream. So if you want to check out more about us, do feel free to check us out here on Instagram. You'll get to know more. Also, if you don't know what personal styling is, you'll get to know more about the same in this exact video. So yeah, let's dive right in. As you know from the title, today's video is a haul which are very loved in our channel. But it's a special haul because it's a thrift haul. I have always been thrifting since like college days, since I came to Pune for 8-9 years now. But that was offline, and now that we can't go to markets, which is not very safe to go to markets anymore, I recently turned into online thrifting, which has been wonderful. So I'm going to be sharing all my thrift finds with you, but in addition to that, I'm also going to share how you can style these for your body type. That is why I'm making into a series, as you read in the title. So there are going to be more thrift hauls, and in each and every video you are going to get to find out what kind of thrift find will suit your body type, so that you don't end up with something that you bought and now you can't even return, since most of the Instagram online stores, they don't accept any returns. So you should not be stuck with something that could not have suited you, or you didn't know how to style it in the first place. Very recently I came across a video of a very big influencer in which she mentioned that a white t-shirt is something that suits almost all body types, and I feel it is not the right statement to make, because hear me out, a white t-shirt is obviously something that everyone can wear. But how to wear it, what kind of a neckline you should have for your body type for that white t-shirt, what is the length that you should have for your white t-shirt, and majorly what should you style it with. I'll give you a very small example. If you have an inverted triangular body type, then try styling white t-shirt with black slim fit jeans on yourself, and I assure you, you might not find that as the best styling, even though that is very simple, and that is something that all influencers states as something that can suit everyone. So that is not the case, and as a personal stylist, I want to bring you the content which will make you love yourself, which is what I do as my work as well. Let me tell you straight up, something looking good on you has to do 100% with how you style it, and that is what we are going to be talking about. Today's video is going to include corset, bodysuit, satin scarf, denim, and also some jewelry. So if you want to check out the haul directly, then you skip to this time mark here. But I request you to stay tuned for next 2 minutes, because I am going to explain a little more about your body type and how to identify it, and obviously I'm going to explain more throughout this video. So if you don't know your body type yet, there are tons of different body types, but for the sake of this video, I have divided into 3 categories majorly. First being inverted triangular body type. So if your upper half is larger than your lower half, then you have inverted triangular body type, which is also sometimes called an apple. The second type I'm going to be talking about is triangular body type, which your lower half is bigger than your upper half, which is also referred to as pear body shape. And the third one, I'm going to be combining hourglass and rectangular body shapes together, because styling them is quite similar. Just you have to make sure of a few things that are in addition for the rectangular body type as compared to the hourglass. Now let me tell you my body type, so that you understand throughout this video what looks good on me and what doesn't. I have a body type between a pear and an hourglass. I'll explain why. My measurements are like this. Bust is 33-34, waist is 27-28, and then hips are 35-36. So if you look at the measurements, I have a pear-shaped body type, like slightly pear-shaped body type, right? It's not completely hourglass. But what happens is I have a very broad shoulders, which kind of pushes me into the hourglass body type. So throughout this video, you'll get to know that since I am modeling all the styling for all different body types, you can definitely see that the inverted triangular body types suit me the least, then the pear-shaped ones, and then the hourglass ones, which are perfect for me. So before getting into the video, get to know your body type and let's get started. The very first piece of clothing that I want to talk about is a corset, and it is an item which particularly only thrift store have now now accessible to us in India. This is a very pretty corset I got from the shop called Shop with Nidhi. I'll be leaving the details of the shops right here. I'll also be leaving them in the description if you want to check them out. I'll be reviewing the store shortly. So I got the delivery in less than 7 days, which was quite good. She shipped it immediately and I got it within 7 days. Now when I bought from that store was kind of not very popular. So what tends to happen with all these thrift stores is that as they get more popular, they start increasing their prices. So if you want to go thrifting on a budget, then I would suggest you go find out smaller pages. If you want me to make a video dedicated to online thrifting and how to find prices, how to find stores and how to find good stuff, then do drop it in the comments. I'm not very sure if that kind of video will be loved by all of you, so just drop it in the comment and let me know if you want to see that. I got this corset, this pretty perfect corset, just for 700 rupees and some additional 70 rupees delivery charge. So that was a great deal for me. Sizes in thrift stores are mostly as they are mentioned. Most of them do not lie about sizing. Or if you are confused, you can just DM them and ask. So this fit me perfectly. Now let's get into the styling part. A black corset is something I would suggest majorly for inverted triangular body type and of course hourglass. If you are a pear-shaped, go for a white or a light colored corset, that'll be better for you. But if you anyway want to buy a black, which is a classic, let's see how to style it. For inverted triangular body type, you can style your black corsets with anything that is light colored at the bottom, which can be denim or any other sort of light pants, beige pants, light blue denim, anything of that sort. I have styled it here with light blue denim pants, which are loose fitted. Again, make sure that the pants that you are wearing are loose fitted, which will flaunt your corset perfectly. For the triangular or the pear-shaped body type, style your corset with something that is dark colored bottom, especially that is something a little bit of loose fit. Here I have styled it with black trousers, which are kind of loose fit, and accessorize it as you like. For the third body type, where I'll be combining hourglass and rectangular body shapes, a black corset is something you can style with pretty much anything. Just make sure that everything is cinched at the waist, especially the bottoms, which are tight fitted and high waisted, will look very good for your corset styling. You can see all the three styling clips side by side, and you can definitely see it here that something that is styled for hourglass suits me more, because like I told you, that's my body type. Now I'm not going to be reviewing each and every Instagram brand particularly unless I like them a lot or I hate them a lot, because all of the shops have almost the same experience. So let's take a look at our second find. The second thing that I have to show here is a white bodysuit, and which is really pretty. There is this Instagram store called Thrift Nude, and which they have just amazing products. But I bought this one from a second clearance page that they have. They have Thrift Nude clearance. That is the clearance page that I bought it from, but the page in itself is very good. Since this is a clearance item, I got it only for 400 rupees including shipping, which is a great deal. The quality of this piece is good. Since it's a clearance item, I feel there are a little bit of loose threads here and there, but that's okay. It doesn't really look shabby or old in any way, so that's perfect. So for this particular store, I got the delivery within 7 to 8 days again, which is not a problem. Now for styling white bodysuit, it is something that will look the best on firstly pear-shaped body type and rectangular shaped body type as well. But if you are someone who wants a white bodysuit anyway, let's just take a look at how to style it. For inverted triangular body type, it would look great with something that is light colored on the bottom. So you can use any kind of trouser, especially high waist ones which are light in color. Here I have styled it with a peach colored trouser because the bodysuit has some nude color in it. For triangular body type, I would style this particular bodysuit with something that is dark colored at the bottom, and again high waist and loose fit if at all you have something like that. Loose fit dark bottoms will look great for styling the same piece for pear-shaped body type. And for the final hourglass or rectangular. Now there are too many factors, but there are a few things that should keep in mind while styling a bodysuit on yourself. Try to match the tones of the top and the bottom, which will be light to light and dark to dark. In this case, the top is white, you would want to style it with something that is light color, or if you are styling with something that is dark colored, then you can go for a loose fit on the bottom. In case of rectangular body type, make sure to have a division between the top and the bottom, which you can create with a simple thing as a belt, which is the same thing I've done here. The third thing that I have here is a silk scarf, which is like a must have if you are thrifting online. The store I got it from, I got two things from them. I have earrings from them as well. The scarf was for 250 rupees and then the earrings were 100 rupees, and then there was shipping charges. Now this particular store was suggested to me by one of our followers on Instagram, and if you're watching this, thank you. I finally bought from there and it's a really amazing scarf. The only problem I have with this store is that she's a student and she could not ship it very fast. So can't even call it as a problem basically, it's just that you have to have some time while ordering from them, because I got my delivery after 12 to 13 days I feel, and I was kind of waiting a lot for this particular scarf. Till now I bought only one scarf from thrift stores, but let me just tell you that they mention it's a 100% silk, but most of the times it's not, and it's not even their fault because the sticker that it came with had 100% silk written on it, but from my experience I can definitely say that this is not silk. Now definitely there are ton of ways that you can style a scarf, but I wanted to especially style this as a top, and firstly I checked if it works, and I knew it would work for me because I have a smaller bust. And please don't come at me for saying that it's a choice. It's obviously a choice, but I'll tell you a technical styling problem while styling scarf tops on those with bigger bust. What happens is, since it doesn't have any structure at the bottom, most of the times if you are seeing it on a side view, it tends to just float, even on someone with small bust, even on me. And the thing what happens is, on those with a big bust, it kind of just floats farther away from the stomach, which doesn't necessarily always look good. So it is a piece that is definitely picture worthy, but if you wanna wear it on a normal regular basis, obviously your choice, but I'm just telling you the technical problem that could happen with scarf tops. Now getting into the styling part, for the inverted triangular body type, you can style it with anything that is high-waisted and light colored. Now I have styled it with a lavender pant, and these pants are the one that I loved so much and I mentioned so in the Myntra haul. You can basically match up the color scheme of your top and your bottoms. To accessorize it, I have also taken a pastel blue bag, and can't you tell that I am so much into pastels right now. For styling it for a triangular body type, you can go for anything which is dark colored and high waisted. Especially if you are styling it with a jeans pant, then probably a loose fit will look good on you if you are conscious about having tight things around your hips. But if not for that, you can also go for something that is tight around the hips, which is like a slim fit pant or something of that sort. But definitely a pant with a loose fit will look better. And for the final body type, which is hourglass or rectangular, I have styled with a simple classic high-waisted black jeans, and oh my god, I'm so in love with this look right now because of the accessories as well. All the bags that you are seeing in the video are from Lulu & Sky. Most of the bags actually are from Lulu & Sky, and there is a whole video on the channel, so go check it out if you haven't already. Now for the earrings that I have got from the exact same store as that of the scarf, these are 100 rupees. They have a very vintagey feel to them and I really love the earrings, but again 100 rupees is kind of pricey, but I didn't mind because I felt like this is a very unique piece to have. There's nothing much to review about this. I'm pretty sure that they are going to lose color in water. I just don't want to check or know that because I really love how pretty they are and I just want them to stay as it is. You can style such earrings with any kind of choker kind of a piece or a vintage necklace if you have a very minimal or a dainty one, and it will look perfect. Now for the final piece of this haul, it is a denim pant, and actually honestly speaking I was quite conscious about thrifting something which is basically a used item, which is a bottom wear. If you know, you know. When it came home I washed it twice again, and let me just tell you, this is one of the best things I have thrifted ever. This pant is from this brand called TZ Thrift. Most of their drops have denims on them only. Came for 700 rupees plus additional 130 rupees delivery charges, and I would tell you this is absolutely worth it. The quality is so amazing. It's better than most of my current new jeans, I can tell you for that. I've heard it a lot of times in Best Dress, if you know Ashley Best Dress's videos, that the old things are quite well made, and this is a big example of that. Now, about if you're wondering if the jeans is clean or has any defects or something, if there are any defects, most of the thrift store mention it and they reduce prices accordingly. All others look good as new. Now, since this is a light colored denim, there is a very small yellowish kind of tint here, which you probably cannot see at all. I can only see it with my naked eyes, but yeah, just thought of mentioning. Black or dark blue jeans probably wouldn't even have even that much. This thrift store is something I am absolutely in love with, and I have bought 3 more denims from them, which will be coming up in the next haul. Like I told you, it's a series, so you're subscribing to the channel to follow up with the series, right? Diving into the styling part, light colored denims is something I would especially advise for inverted triangular body type, and if they're cinched in at the waist, then for the hourglass and the rectangular body type. Those with pear-shaped bodies or triangular bodies can specifically try and avoid light colored denims. But if you want to go for it anyway, just let's take a look how to style it. For the inverted triangular body type, it is a perfect piece, and I have styled it with some little cropped black top to keep the whole look a very casual one, and I have accessorized it with green accessories, which is almost like one of the favorite colors of mine at the moment. You can see the whole look has turned out so chic, though the whole outfit in itself is very basic. The bag is again from one of the Instagram stores, so yeah, that's also coming up in one of the hauls. For the triangular body type, style your light colored denims with very light colored top, almost a shade lighter than your jeans if you can do that. If your jeans is loose fit, then go for something tight fit on the top. Both loose will not look that great. Here I could accessorize it amazingly with this neon bag that I already had, because the top has neon detail in it. And for the hourglass or the rectangular body type, you can style light denim jeans with almost anything as long as the top is fitted and cropped and the jeans is high waisted. Here I have styled my jeans with some floral top, which are super in like any summer. And yeah, that was it for the styling of denim pants. If you have reached till the end of this video, let me just show you a quick comparison of all the things that I have styled. You can see in each one of the clips, the rightmost side is the hourglass body type, which is my body type, and you can clearly see that I look the best when styled as per the hourglass body type. So you know now that styling makes a big difference. If you want to get personally styled, or if you generally want to know more about styling yourself, then do check us out on Instagram at the handle Uniquely Mainstream, and you can get to see a ton of amazing content. If you like this video, please give it a like, share and subscribe to the channel. Share it with all of your friends who are a bit conscious about the body type, so that they get to know there is no such a piece of item which is only good enough for a few people. Every clothing item is good for everyone, provided you style it right. That was it for today's video. If you want to check out other hauls, you can click on any one of these and have a look. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.